This is a range of the most amazing petunias, and I have to say I was never really a petunia fan. This is what we call a Calibrachoa, beautiful in hanging baskets. You can just see it. So what are the options? Well, keep it in a hanging basket. The other one, take it out the basket, or sometimes you get them in pots. Just pop them in your garden beds. But most importantly, they work beautiful in containers, window boxes, you know, that kind of vibe. The other most important thing about all these callies, no matter whether you're getting the pink or the white or the yellow, is that what they call self-deadheading. And that's a very interesting concept. So if you come along here and take a closer look. So this guy, he's over, okay? He's like done. But what happens is, and I'm going to force nature here, all it does is, do you see that? It just comes off. All right, so you don't actually have to go in there and physically deadhead. You can if you're a bit pedantic, okay, I'll let you do it, but you really don't have to. And then, of course, everybody wants a little bit of white in the garden, because when I add white next to any other color, it makes a pop. And the good old-fashioned favorite never ever goes out of fashion, like a terracotta pot. Allison, sweetly scented, beautiful Allison. In trays, in pots, in containers, however you have it or buy it. Just put it in the garden.